Hey there! We're going to change the light bulbs in my 2013 Prius, specifically the license plate light bulbs. So let's go on in and take a look. I'm just lifting the hatch, and I'm actually, to access it, there are actually two of these access points. So we need to open this panel up right here, and because of the angle, it actually took me a while to find a tiny little notch right here that I'm just going to stick this small flat head screwdriver in and pull it out a little bit to access the light bulb. I'm actually already working on the other one. Back to this one. All right, so to take out the current bulb, I'm just going to give this a slight twist. I'm going to need my right hand though. Oops. What I did just there is I pulled the electricity to it. Okay, almost have it. I'm actually turning it just slightly counterclockwise and pulling it out, and there's the old bulb. So what we're going to do is replace it with the new bulb. I ordered them on Amazon. I also looked at a few auto parts stores. What I found out is that the 2825 bulb was what we needed. So I'm going to open up that package and let's see if we can get that in. Okay, so I pulled the old bulb right out. And the new bulb just snaps in. And now I'm going to insert this back in and twist it into place. So this part right here is the notch that I'm going to line up in that corner and twist clockwise. I was able to get that in, it looks like, without turning off the camera again. And now I can put the electricity back in. When I did the other one, I didn't unclip it. This one just happened to unclip easily. All right. And now I'm just going to insert this back in, and we should be good to go.